The Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 is a foldable smartphone that offers a premium experience at a more affordable price point compared to its competitors. Here's a detailed breakdown of its specifications, along with its pros and cons. For pros, excellent value for money. The Phantom V Fold 2 offers flagship-level specs at a more affordable price compared to competitors, like Samsung and Oppo. Large and high-quality displays. Both the main and cover screens are bright, vibrant, and offer smooth performance with a high refresh rate. Powerful processor and ample RAM. The Dimensity 9000 ensures smooth multitasking and gaming performance, while the 12GB RAM handles demanding tasks with ease. Versatile camera system. The triple rear camera setup captures detailed photos and videos, and the dual front cameras are great for selfies and video calls. Long battery life. The 5750 mAh battery provides ample power for a full day of use, and the 70 watts fast charging technology allows for quick top-ups. For cons, slightly thicker than other foldable phones. The Phantom V Fold 2 is slightly thicker when folded compared to some of its rivals, which may affect its portability. Limited software customization. While iOS 14 Fold offers some customization options, it may not be as extensive as other Android skins like One UI. Global availability may be limited. Tecno's presence in the global market is still relatively small, so availability of the Phantom V Fold 2 may be limited in certain regions. Overall, the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 is an impressive foldable smartphone that offers excellent value for money. Its large displays, powerful performance, and versatile camera system make it a compelling option for those looking for a high-quality foldable device.